What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MVIS stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose the free stocks. That's it. And let's start with the definition of this company. MicroVision Incorporated engaged in the development of laser beam scanning technology. It offers its product under the PicoP brand. PicoP scanning technology has addressing the following market segments: interactive and non-interactive projected displays, 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for consumer electronics, augmented mixed reality, and 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for automotive active collision avoidance. And let me give you a sneak peek on their numbers. Their total market cap for now is $3.2 billion. They have a revenue of $2.1 million with a negative net income of $14.93 million. Their total cash is $75.34 million for now, and total debt is $2.96 million. Their current ratio is 7.51 and it is highly above required level of 1.5. So, from the financial standpoint, they are pretty much stable. They have enough cash in order to continue their operation, and they have a revenue that is good, but it is not enough to make positive net income. But nevertheless, they are still in the development phase and they are still developing their LiDAR system. So let me show you their official website. Right here you can see that they have protected intellectual property and they have a bunch of patents, and these patents are very important in their activity. And here is their products. It is a projection engine, interactive projection engine, consumer 3D LiDAR sensor, projection engine for head-mounted displays, and automotive 3D LiDAR sensor. So this is their most promising product for now, that is in development phase, and they will start first sales of this product at the Q3 or Q4 2021. Let's continue with their press release section, and I made my previous video on April 28th, right before this press release. And we don't have much information from the official website, but we have a very good price action right here that I covered in my previous video. And for now we have this price action that is also very massive. And you might ask, why is that? And here is the answer. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published 1 day ago, and it's titled MVIS Stock: Why is Reddit Wall Street Bets favorite MicroVision surging today? And let me quote you this: Redditors running up shares of MVIS stock today have shares moving quite a bit in morning trading. As of this writing, more than 12 million shares of the stock have changed hands. That has it at about half of its daily average trading volume of about 27 million shares. Outside the recent news of Reddit boosting MVIS stock up, there is nothing else to note about the company. It hasn't released any news lately that could be connected to retail traders' recent interest in it. And this is the main point, that for now it is a very risky trade, because we don't have fundamentals behind this company for now. Of course, we have a long-term catalyst like a contract between Microsoft and US Army, where MicroVision is one of the suppliers of Microsoft, and this contract is huge, and I covered it in some of my previous videos. So, and let's continue with the institutional investors. As you can see, we have more green lines than the red ones. This means companies are still buying the stocks of MVIS. And you have to be extremely cautious, because we have NP filing and 13F filings. And 13F filings could be made 45 days before current date, and NP filing could be made 60 days before this filing. So we might have quite outdated information, but nevertheless, long-term holders still believe in this company, and I also think that this company will have a massive future, will have a massive gains in a matter of a couple of years. But for now it is extremely risky, and let me show you this. This is a short interest of MicroVision stock, and as you can see, short volume ratio for now is 25%, and it has a quite high short borrow fee rate of 16.93%. And as you can see, we have this ratio above 20% during more than 1 week. And this means we still have a possibility for short squeeze, and that's why we have a room to grow to the upside. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Well, I started to cover this stock at the end of January, and we had some juicy trades, for example this of 117%, and we had these accumulation points, and I predicted that we might hit this resistance, and we hit it to the tick, then bounce back. Then we had a reaction from this level that I drew about a month ago, and as you can see, it worked perfectly right here. And we had a reaction even from this point, but then we broke it to the downside and hit again this level, and it was our previous support, and I drew it right after this bottom point, and I nailed this target. As you can see, price hit it to the tick, but my thoughts was that we might hit it a little bit later in late June, I guess. But because of Wall Street bets, we hit it to the tick at the end of April. And right here at that point, I encourage you not to buy this stock because it was extremely overbought. And as you can see, let me show you more thoroughly. We bounced from 0.618, 0.65 level from this bottom to this top. It is a Fibonacci retracement levels. And we hit 0.236 and then roll over to the downside and poke through these levels again. And right here we invalidated this wave as our impulsive movement, because right here we had the price action lower than this level of 12.82. So right here we have a level of $12.8, and here we have about $12.25. And that's how we invalidated this action as our major movement to the upside. And for now we still have a possibility to hit our targets. And on a greater scale, let me show you that we have to finish our fifth wave, and we hit first target, but we didn't hit second and third. And with this price action you have to be extremely cautious, because let me show you indicators. We are hovering at the border of overbought region, but we don't have any bearish divergence. We have higher highs and higher lows on RSI. This means we can continue this up movement, and we can hit our previous, let me show you, this peak of about $25, a little bit lower than $25. Then we might hit this peak. It is our next potential resistance, and then we might have an all-time highs. Let me show you a monthly time frame for those of you who want to invest in this company. And as you can see, we are extremely overbought. This means if we will form this curvature right here, we will have lower highs on our side. Let me show you. With the higher high on the price action, if we will exceed this level. And this will indicate that we might go lower, and these bearish diversions should be unloaded. And for those of you who want to invest, just patiently wait, because you will have a much more attractive price, I guess, in a matter of couple of months to enter your position somewhere at this point, and then we will go higher. But for those of you who want to just catch this trade, we are pretty much bullish for now, for the short term, and you have to be extremely cautious, because for now there is nothing behind this company in the short-term trades, only the Wall Street bets ready threat. So, in this case, you have to follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Do not go all in, and do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And if you want to enter your position, please ladder your buys down, because we can hit our lowest levels. This is our major support for now. We might hit it and then bounce back. Or we might go higher from this point. That's why you have to ladder your buys down in order to have more attractive average price. And our targets are following. We might hit about $24 or $25 mark with our first leg, and we might hit the next potential target price of about $30 mark. And then if we will exceed this level, I will do another update and I will do a projection of future targets. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.